She's very sick, so she's isolating herself from the others. That's what cats do. When they're sick, they just move away from the other cats and just stay by themselves. I don't even know what to do. Just gonna comfort her. You can hear how loud her purring is. She's a very beautiful girl.